Manipur Chief Minister M. Biren Singh, while speaking to media on Thursday, appealed to the opposition India group led by Congress not to play petty politics. Singh said that even in budgetary discussion, they are trying to make an issue. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has clarified that Manipur has been getting enough funding from the central government. TMC MP Abhishek Banerjee raised the issue of Manipur and asked if what does he know about Manipur.
I would like to appeal to the opposition, the India groups, led by the Congress. Please don't play petty politics. Even in the budgetary discussion, for non-mentioning of Manipur, they are trying to make an issues. What is the use of mentioning all the state? Yesterday, Madam Sitharaman has already clarified. The state of Manipur is getting enough funding from the center since the beginning of the evening, as well as for the cyclone, for the hailstorm also, we got enough money, and we have already distributed CGIT costing of 43 crores only for the hailstorm, and for the flooding also, just we have distributed 10,000 each to the East family. From where this money comes, all the money is providing from the center. And there is no question of mentioning that this kind of petty politics will not do it. And the second point, I want to clarify one thing. One Mr. Abhishek, Honorable MP from Trinamool Congress, he raised issues in the parliament saying that the Manipur issues is burning 1 year, is doing nothing. What he knows? What he knows about Manipur? Why he is not caring about his Bengal? What is happening in Bengal since the last 10 years? Women were killing on the road. People are beating on the road and the killings, raping. What they are doing? What is happening in Bengal and why he is raising the issues of the Manipur? We are doing Manipur 24/7. Honorable Prime Minister is looking after. Honorable Union Home Minister is looking after, and the peace is restoring. Instead of supporting to restore peace in the state, why they are trying to instigate? So my earnest appeal to the Abhishek, Honorable MP, you concerned about your state. I think you are a TMC MP. First, you concerned about your state, Bengal. Stop the humiliations on the road to the women, the killings of women, raping of women, and the torturing of the civilians. No law, I can say proudly, no law in the Bengal. We have seen, the world have seen. But in spite of trying to solve in your own state, why you are mocking to other states?